AI has the ability to perform tasks that once required human intervention. Today we're exploring the top AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work. 1. Grammarly. One of the most popular AI tools out there, Grammarly helps you write better by checking your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. It also provides suggestions for better vocabulary and sentence structure. This tool is a lifesaver for writers, students, and anyone who wants to improve their writing skills. 2. Canva. Canva is an AI-powered graphic design tool that allows users to create stunning designs with ease. With a vast library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva makes designing accessible to everyone. From social media graphics to presentations, Canva has got you covered. 3. HootSuite. HootSuite is an AI-powered social media management tool that enables businesses to manage their social media accounts from a single dashboard. It allows users to schedule posts, monitor brand mentions, and track analytics. This tool saves time and helps businesses stay on top of their social media game. 4. Zapier. Zapier is an AI-powered automation tool that connects different apps and services to automate tasks. It enables users to create workflows that can trigger actions across multiple platforms. This tool is perfect for businesses looking to streamline their processes and improve productivity. 5. Alexa. Alexa is an AI-powered virtual assistant developed by Amazon. It can perform a range of tasks, from playing music to ordering groceries online. Alexa can also integrate with other smart home devices, making your life easier and more convenient. AI-powered tools are changing the way we work, making tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. From writing assistants to social media management, these tools are becoming an essential part of our daily lives. With AI's ability to learn and improve, we can expect to see even more innovative tools in the future.